Hi, my name is Susan Combs, and today we're going to talk about how to replace an insurance policy. When it comes to replacing an insurance policy, depending upon the type of insurance, things are handled a little bit differently. For example, it is illegal to replace a life insurance policy if it is not in the best interest of you. So for example, were you a smoker and now you're no longer a smoker? Did you have type 2 diabetes and now you don't have type 2 diabetes? If it shows that you actually got healthier and better and you would be at a lower rating, then it's going to be the best interest to replace your policy. If it's not in the best interest to replace your policy and it's just, say, a broker or an agent that has changed carriers and they're wanting to move all their business to their new carrier and it's really not in your best interest, then, like I said, it's illegal. So the main thing to do is, regardless if it's a life insurance policy or if it's a health insurance policy, they're going to want to know, if you're issuing a new policy, where you were before. So what type of policy did you have before? Sometimes if it's like, say, a business insurance policy, what claims were associated with it? If there are claims associated with it, then the carrier might choose not to cover it, or they might choose to, offer you a higher premium. So the main thing to do is, no matter what policy that you're looking at replacing, find out the rules around the certain policies, talk to a broker and see what's going to be the best thing for you.